If I fits, I ships the logistics of being a liquid cat. You moved to Australia, but your new roommate has zero respect for the local boxing champion. That cat is 1 second away from finding out why we called him ruthless.
Let me feed you. Come inside. Look at it.
You realize the recipe said 1 egg, but you are a strong, independent feline who follows no rules. He is not just...
Сунув туди лапку і тримай. П'єш. Ти що грієшся? Грійся, грійся, мій маленький.
The living room floor is lava, but your bed is on the other side of... Mistakes were made, lessons were not learned, and the fish is currently filing for...
Go.
This is the perfect visual representation of how I handle my responsibilities. Spend all day at the drive-thru window waiting for a shift that never starts, only to realize you do not even have a job there and should probably just go home and take a nap.
Break my new hairdryer. Mush!
The existential dread hits you mid-nap, but you're too comfortable to actually move. Really went from I could eat you up to existential crisis in under 5 seconds.
Kaiser. What are you doing?
Winnie.
You're trying to explain a complex problem to your teammate and they just stop listening. The train is 5 minutes late, but you have already spent your life savings on a non...
Huh?
You skip leg day, but your tail never misses a workout. You realize the spa day you were promised is actually just a sink and a betrayal. Your cat discovers the magnification side of the mirror and realizes their ego is actually 10 times larger than previous. You forget to pay the tuna tax and your cat decides to conduct an immediate...
What are you doing, Ellie? You rocking your brother? What? You're so silly. Yeah.
Ultimate prank, making him believe he actually caught the chicken in his dreams.
Yo, dumbass.
Heist of the century caught on camera. This bro shopper bypassed the organic section, went straight for the cured meats, and didn't even check the price. I have decided that this banana is my only friend and I shall hold it.
Yeah.
Moment when you think you finally mastered snooker, but your coach is actually a tiny kitten who has zero respect for the rules of physics or your trick shots. I think You told your trainer you wanted to get on the treadmill, but you were actually born to be a speed bump.
Mink, mink, mink. Mink, mink, mink.
Try to record a sweet moment with your dog, but he decides it is actually the perfect. The pre-workout finally kicks in and you realize you are actually the size of the bull.
Лучше так, как катая картошку.
No, I just redid all the decorations up there.
You accidentally spawn into the wrong neighborhood and have to act natural while the local trash pandas guide you to the secret loot.
Come on, little baby. Oh my gosh. Oh, come on. Oh,
You don't.
You're trying to act casual, but your depth perception is currently set to 0. Underestimated the jump, overestimated the cone. Coordination has... Your friend says they want to hang out, but you did not realize they meant literally.
Hold on. Hold on.
Look at this distinguished gentleman.
Who wants
Look
to
at
go
the
to
way
Four
he is
Seasons
sitting.
Orlando.
Yes, very distinguished. You realize the kitten is actually the final boss and you did not save your game. You ask your assistant for help with a deadline and they take the term drop everything way too literally.
Maybe I am. Am I the villain? I don't think I'm the villain.
Ярослав, что делать?
Сидеть и двигаться, получить удовольствие.
You and your bestie both have zero social skills but still want to spill the tea.
Huh?
Cat just executed a perfect tactical... You want to be a rabbit, but you forget that rabbits can actually see where they are going.
Huh?
10 photos taken seconds before disaster. That cat is currently calculating exactly how many stitches the dog is going to need.
Ми ми，躺下。
It was just a demo version and its free trial expired. Object of your affection is just as bright and round as you are. Just a bird. You want to be a rock star, but you're still just a minor chord. You're trying to act innocent, but the intrusive thoughts win.
Can you read this? Oh my god!
Steering it. So easy. Easy. That way.
The door is 99% closed, but you still feel that 1% of judgment.
Oh, okay.
The cast of Friends is shocked by this cat's failed attempt to become Spider-Man. 1 minute you're king of the... Your one brain cell has to share the fireplace with another one brain cell. Physics of being this fluffy is mostly just... I'm not a professional, but I am pretty sure that is a tiny werewolf and he is definitely going to tell his mom you touched his toes. It's like someone decided to redecorate the living room with 1,000 tiny wrecking balls. You want to play a serious game of ping pong, but the speed bump has other plans. Happy to report that the ball is winning 3-0 against the cat's dignity. Mistake 1, touching the cat. Mistake 2.